Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to resize app icon on iPhone to bigger on your iPhone. So simply long press in your display, click on to edit option, press on customize and press on this option, or you get two different way, large or big option. I'm just update my iOS 26, so showing at this option. Okay, now set, and the second step, open settings, display and brightness, scroll down, click on make sure, press on done, and finally press on use zoomed. Okay, now overall set. So that's it, that's how you can do it.